Hey guys, this is Simran and welcome back to Food Utopia. Today we will be making Dahi Puri. This is a pretty popular chaat item and it tastes so great because of the plain yogurt or dahi and the masalas that we sprinkle on top. So without further ado, let's get cooking. To make this recipe, we will need 6 puris that are used for chaat, 1.5 cups of plain yogurt or dahi, 3 tablespoons of granulated sugar, 2 small potatoes that have been boiled and chopped, some cumin seed powder or jeera powder as per your taste, the red chili powder as per your taste, some chaat masala as per your taste, black salt or kala namak as per your taste, salt as per your taste, some tamarind chutney or imli chutney as per your taste, and some thin save as garnish. The first thing we will do is take a lard bowl and add in the dahi, and then we will whisk this until it becomes smooth. This is what the consistency of the dahi should be like. After it is smooth, we will add in the sugar, some salt, and some black salt. And then you mix these well together. After you have mixed everything together, you can give the dahi a taste and see if you need to add any salt or sugar. You'll set the dahi aside and then take the potatoes. So the potatoes should be in a medium bowl, and then you will add in some chaat masala, some salt, some red chili powder, some cumin seed powder or jeera powder, and some black salt. Then you will give all of these a good mix. The potatoes should be completely covered with the masalas. And then you will take the puris and arrange them on a plate. And then you'll use the back end of a spoon and then take a puri, and to make a hole in it, you just kind of push the back end into it. You don't want it to be too small, but not too big either. Once you have made holes in all of the puris, you will take some of the potatoes and put it into each puri. And then you will take some of the dahi or yogurt and pour it into each puri. Fill each puri with the dahi with a generous amount. Then, on top of each puri, you will add on some cumin seed powder or jeera powder, the chaat masala, and the black salt. And then you will drizzle some tamarind chutney or imli chutney on top of each. Some red chili powder, the thin save. Dahi puri is ready. You want to eat them as soon as possible because they'll get soggy. If there is more dahi and potatoes left, you can make more of these dahi puri. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. Tell me how you liked it in the comments below. If you would like the full recipe, it will be down in the description box. Also, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and ring the bell icon to get updates on all of my new videos. See you in the next video.